Hey, welcome back, everyone. Tom from Park Avenue Trading, your chief dealer, keeping you sane in these insane markets. It is 10:19 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Really late for the party. Sorry, got caught up doing some crypto analysis that really had a hard time with. But anyway, here we are in the good old something that I'm very familiar with, the euro dollar, and let's talk about what's going on in the good old euro dollar. As it stands right now, if we come over to the DAX, and we've been talking about this, whereas let's look at the euro dollar, put up the euro dollar with the DAX here. Really, it's starting to, it's basically starting to recover a little bit. I mean, it recovered here. You notice here was the euro fall. Right now, it's basically doing the same thing the euro dollar is doing. It's in a range. You know, we could say the range upper limit is up here. The lower limit's down there. Market's really looking for the next leg of, say, support or so. There's a lot of movement going on in the crosses. Like I said, that dollar yen is really flying around a little bit, and that's what's kind of really moving the markets. The crosses, not so much these, individual currencies like the euro dollar or the British pound. But let's get into it, right? So we had a rally to 113.90, which was, wow, okay. Wow, that's all I can say about it. We said yesterday this was the level it had to hold, 113.41. We went up to 113.90. This level is still the level. It hasn't moved because we've been saying that the euro dollar is in like a range right in between, like, say, 112.95, right now, and 113.90, right? The original point that we had was 112. Actually, get rid of this. This one was a little bit off. The market went down to 112.04, but we had a point at 112.40. So the market kind of went down a little bit below this point. It's recovered, made like a slightly, it hasn't made a new high because the high was 114.20, but we kind of recovered, kind of tested that and got rejected from there. So if the euro stays below, say, 113.40, we're drifting down again to 112.95, 113 the figure. If that level goes, we're opening up that 112.39 again. Now, however, if we could recover over this price and get up through this top here, we got a potential to go up to that main support at 114.30. And that's all I got going on in euro dollar. I don't want to just sit here and ramble on and on about nothing. But your points today, right now, to watch at 113, say 45. We can get above that, showing some strength, potentially to, say, 113, 114 the figure again, and then you got to have a new look. If it breaks down, if it holds below this, it's drifting lower. So that's what I got going. If you like what you see, please like and subscribe. Leave me some comments and tell me how you're trading this thing. And I'll see you in the next video. And TGIF, man, thank God it's Friday. And remember, always, as a short-term trader, enjoy the party, but dance near the door. Cheers.